Hi, I'm Nicolette Graves.
Hi, I'm Spence, and this is The Formula.
2020 was, it's my favorite word. It was wild. It could feel like you were in the twilight zone, or you could be having like the best time of your life. So I feel like it was a year of a lot of growth. I feel like I was doing a lot of mental gymnastics oftentimes.
For me, 2020 was, I would just say mind-blowing. We never thought what happened in 2020 could happen. And so the way I just look at the future is different, but 2020 was really hard to process because there were some highs. Our business grew 300%. I got married, I bought a house. There were some highs, but there were some lows. There was a lot of loss in 2020, like personal loss. And so it was really hard. I think like Nicolette said, mental gymnastics to process these crazy highs and these lows and just try to stay sane and keep it moving. It was a week into lockdown, and something was just Chanel, check in with your suppliers. I checked in with our suppliers. Everything was either back ordered indefinitely, especially our main ingredient. And we had orders, and that's when I knew that we were affected by the pandemic, and we don't know what the future of base butter is going to be. We were out of stock for 3 months. During most of those months, we didn't know when we would be back in stock. And so during those 3 months, we were out of stock, making no money, couldn't pay any bills. We were figuring out what our plan B was. We took time to really refine our story. I think a lot of grant opportunities started popping up, and we were able to really have time to apply to those. Because before the pandemic, we wanted to do all that, but we didn't have time. We weren't making any money, but we were able to really sit down and think about how base butter could survive and thrive during the pandemic.
One of these